Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 4a and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening the contact list. I like to do it using the dialer. Then tap on this three bars icon in the left upper corner and go to the contacts. So here we have to find the contact that we would like to edit, and I'll pick maybe this one. So just tap on the contact and now tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon in the right upper corner. So here editing is kind of divided between two different options. So we've got the calling card and picture. I will focus on the picture. However, I really highly recommend to also set the calling card, thanks to which you can kind of set the background of the screen that you will see when someone's calling you. So you will see not only the photo but also the background. So it is a great opportunity to, for example, use the photo of the place that you've visited with this person, or I don't know, favorite dog or favorite food or whatever. I really highly recommend to do that. It just gives a lot of, personality to that kind of contact and the incoming call screen. But let me focus on picture. Let's simply tap on it, and here we've got different sections from which we can choose the photo from. So in the device photos we've got gallery, so we can choose our own photo and set it as a contact photo, or we can open the camera app immediately and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. Google Photos, which are backed up photos, so the same as the gallery. We can also use Monogram, so we can use 1 or 2 letters, probably for the name and surname, or I don't know, a nickname or whatever. It's up to you, obviously. You can change the background colors. As you can see, we've got quite a lot of options to choose from. We can also change the font, so we can make it bolder, cursive, etc. And we can also use emoji, so just tap on this emoji option, now tap on this heart in my case, and as you can see, now we can choose from the full list of available emojis. So just find the one that you'd like to use and tap on it. Again, you can change the background color. Moreover, you can set the monochrome option, so now it looks basically like the emoji. But if you will pick this option, then it will look more icon-like. Moreover, here we've got an additional option, illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online. So if you don't feel like using Monogram, you don't really have a photo of this person and you cannot really take a photo of him or her, then you can choose something from those options, which are nice. Here we've got different categories, like for example forests, deserts, domestic dogs and cats, historical sites, a lot of things that you can choose from, even zodiac, if you want to. Oh, this one is cute. So basically this is how it works. So let me just choose this one maybe, and this part is kind of the same, just like in the photos. So here you will be able to zoom in or out the photo, and thanks to it you will be able to decide how you want to frame it, because this highlighted circle is responsible for what you will see after saving the whole contact. Moreover, here in the illustrations we've got the presets, so you can change the colors of the illustration, which is also nice. So to pinch or the crop the picture, you have to tap on this icon here, and now you will be able to frame it just like you want to, and then tap on choose if you're ready. And as you can see, it has been applied to this picture section, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how our contacts will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.